Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Marta, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how I created my look. It's been a while since I've used a color, like a blue color. I've only done like neutral brown, orange, those very pretty colors. But today I wanted to do something different. So I hope you guys like it. Oh, this look was inspired by Kathleen Light's very gorgeous look. I really loved it. And before we get started, if you would please hit the like button if you like this look, and if you are new, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. And also, if you would like to know how I do my eyebrows, I do have a separate video showing you that because I won't be doing that in my video today. First, I'm going to apply this concealer from LA Girl to prime my eyelids. I love using concealers instead of eyeshadow primers. They just work better for me. And I'm going to blend it out using the LA Girl sponge. It has to be nice and blended even all over my eyelid, all the way up to my brow bone. And I'm going to set that using the Rimmel pressed powder and this brush from Profusion. It's a brush from one of their eyeshadow palettes. And this also has to be nice and set even all over. Like, don't miss a spot because that's kind of going to ruin the whole look. And the first eyeshadow I'm going to go into is from this palette from Beige Cosmetics, Eyes on the 70s. I'm going to get this blue eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this brush from Beige Cosmetics. It's from a brush set. I think it's like 8 sets of brushes, but very affordable, great quality. I really love Beige Cosmetics brushes. I'm going to apply it going back and forth on my crease from corner to corner all the way right here. Before I apply more of the eyeshadow, I'm going to take the excess powder off by going like that or on the back of my hand, and then start blending it out in small circular motions. You can also use a different brush, a clean brush, but I like to use the same one because it still has a little bit of the eyeshadow, and that helps me blend out the eyeshadow better. Then I'm going to get a little bit more of the same eyeshadow and apply it on the very end of the outer corner. I tap it on and then start blending it out towards I follow the tail of my eyebrow. And this is where I'm gonna get the clean brush. This one's Morphe R37 blending brush, and just start blending it out so it can look a lot better. Then I'm going to get this eyeshadow stick from PUR Cosmetics. On one end it has an eyeliner, and on the other side it has the eyeshadow stick. And I'm going to use the eyeshadow stick only, and I'm going to apply that on my eyelid. And it's going to be kind of tricky putting it on the crease because I want it to kind of have like a sharp edge on the crease, like a kind of like a cut crease. And this eyeshadow stick is not that creamy, so it's going to be tricky. And I applied like 2 or 3 layers of that so it can be nice and even all over the lid. It doesn't really matter how it looks on the outer part of the eyelid because, as you can see, I put eyeliner there, so it's gonna cover it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I also like to open my eyes and make sure it's nice and even on my crease and not like a wavy line or anything. And I'm going to apply this Anastasia and Omrezi highlighter on top of that with a flat brush from Profusion, and you can see it's kind of exactly the same shade as the eyeshadow stick. And like I said, the eyeshadow stick isn't that creamy, but I still want to set that with the highlighter. It looks nice and shimmery, but this step isn't really necessary. And for the eyeliner, I'm going to use this cream eyeliner from Anastasia with a Sonia Kashuk eyeliner brush. And I like to use this brush because I can make it like very thin, and I like to use my brushes thin when I use cream eyeliner. And I never use a liquid eyeliner when I do an eyeliner like this because to me it's just very hard. So if you are a beginner or want to learn how to do an eyeliner, I suggest you use a cream eyeliner. And I start by doing it very soft because I want to see the outline of it first. If I don't like it, if I want it thicker or sharper or bigger, but if I do like it, then I just start filling it in, starting on the corner, on the very tip of the wing, and that's where I want it to be the most intense, the darkest. And then using the same brush without getting any more of the product, I start kind of fading it into the eyelid. And this part is very hard, so you have to be patient and keep practicing, and it's gonna look nicer. And it's especially because it has to look kind of exactly as the other side, so it can get tricky, but keep practicing. Now I'm going to use this glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay and apply that right on the edge of the shimmery eyeshadow I applied right on my crease or above my crease. And I do this really quick because I feel, or very slow, my bad, because I feel like if I mess up, there's no going back, especially because it dries up really quick. But I try to do it slow so I won't mess up. And if I want more glitter on it, then I just add a few more layers on top. Now I'm going to apply this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. If you guys have seen my videos, you know that I love these because they're so creamy. They're not a lot of eyeliners are easy to blend out, but I love to use these on my waterline and on my lower lash line, and just because they just blend out so easily, and I love that. And also if I want it to be a little bit deeper, then I just keep adding the same pencil on top of that and then blend it out. I'm using a brush from Coastal Scents. It's from a brush set called Majestic. These are also very affordable and great quality. I'm going to apply these eyelashes from Dodo Lashes in the style D305. If you know me, you know I love dramatic eyelashes, and I wanted to add dramatic lashes for this dramatic eye look. Of course, I'm going to curl my eyelashes first before I apply them, and these are so easy to apply and they last a long time, okay, and they look gorgeous. I'm going to apply this Peacock Flare mascara from Covergirl to my lower lashes. I want to add a lot since we are doing a very dramatic eye look. And then I'm also going to put some on my top lashes to kind of stick my fake lashes with my natural lashes together. I'm going to stick them together with tweezers, but you can also use your fingers. And last but not least, I'm going to apply the same Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter on my inner corner with the Real Techniques detailer brush. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this look, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button. And for this video, I want to give a shout out to Victoria Rodriguez Cardoso from Brazil. Thank you so much, Victoria. I love you. Thank you for your support and your lovely comments. I love you so much. If you want to shout out in my next video, all you have to do is let me know in the comments below that you want to shout out. And if you're new, let me know where you're from. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!